Hello, beautiful people! Welcome to RheaSol'sBites! Today I'm going to make hamburger, but I'm going to use Pandesal as my bread, so I'm going to call it Pandeburger! Well, every person has its own ingredients has its own way kung paano himunin yung hamburger. This is my own ingredients. Ako niya ko galingon nga ingredients ang ako nga hamburger. I hope you will enjoy it and I hope you will try it. Here are the ingredients of my Pandeburger. Ground beef. You can also use ground pork, but ground beef is tastier. Garlic powder, rosemary, paprika powder, salt and pepper, soy sauce, black soy sauce. Don't use kikuman, the taste is different. And use very little of the soy sauce, black soy sauce. White vinegar, Pandesal, in English it's called breadcrumbs, onions, and egg. Let's begin making the RheaSol'sBites hamburger. So all you have to do is put all your ingredients except for the Pandesal, except for the breadcrumbs. Put your ingredients in your hamburger ground beef, and then mix it with using your hands. It's better to use your hands, but please wash your hands before mixing it. So all you need to do is mix it. Yeah, like that. Yes. Okay. After mixing everything, you put your breadcrumbs. You can also use flour if you don't have breadcrumbs, but please not too much because your burger will get dry inside. Mix everything. So I mixed it well already. Na-mix ko na siya sa sakto. And now I'm going to shape it. But it will be very small because I'm going to use my Pandesal bread as my bread for my hamburger. This is how I shape my hamburgers. You just do it like that. Okay, I have small hamburgers because I'm going to use my Pandesal bread. And you flatten it. There. See? Flat. Don't forget to put a hole here. There. First, hamburger. So in 500 grams of ground beef, I made 9 hamburgers. It's okay if it's not perfect because it's homemade. Stick pan, we put little oil to fry our hamburgers. Medium-low fire, we fry our hamburgers. My beautiful hamburgers! Oh my god, look at me. With the leftover oil from the hamburgers, just take off the burned onions. You saute your, you fry your onions until it's very, very soft. Caramelize it. Now it's time to make our Pandeburger. Well, this is our homemade burger patty. I have here paprika, I have cucumber, I have tomatoes, and I have caramelized onions, tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, and our Pandesal. So, I'll start making it and I'll show you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my hamburger. Well, I call it Pandeburger because I used Pandesal as my bread for my hamburger. And this is my Pandeburger. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Toodaloo!